Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do something different for you guys. I was really bored today and I found this cool app which is called Dubsmash, and yeah, it's really fun app. So I'm gonna share some clips with you guys. Hope you guys will like this video and will give me a thumbs up, and I hope you guys will have a good laugh. So yeah.
थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लगता साहब, प्यार से लगता है।
एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो?
Hey boys, don't talk to me, okay?
इतनी खुशी मुझे आज तक नहीं।
क्या बोलती तू?
भाई कोई लड़की देखो मेरा दिल दीवाना बोले ओले ओले